Tyson, do you want a knuckle sandwich?
No. No more.
Tyson, where'd you puke today?
Put on this.
Did you puke today?
Put it in.
Where'd you puke?
Mommy's bed.
What'd you do on Mommy's bed?
Sandwich.
You puked on it?
Sandwich. The uncle sandwich.
Uncle sandwich? Or knuckle sandwich?
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
He hi.
He hi.
I want toys.
What you talk about, Tyson?
No.
Where you going?
You see Uncle Walk?
Why?
Uncle Walk has a camera. Uncle Walk has a son. Walker has a remote.
He has a remote? Are you
Yeah.
gonna go take it away from him?
Yep. I did.
Yeah.
No.
What are you doing? Look at me. Hey, where are you going?
Hey, what are you doing? Give me that bag. Give me that bag.
They want to take it away.
Never.
I almost took it away. I took it away.
You did. Good job.
I took it away from you.
How come? Why'd you do that?
Because I did. Let's make it back.
Okay, thank you.
The little cuckoo again.